You can see how much I love to cook. Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. Here I'm going to show you how I make the soft porridge, sorghum meal. As you can see, I'm gonna be mixing it with sour milk, or some people call it kefir. But here it's a real sour milk that is made from home, full of probiotics, and together with sorghum meal is just a healthy meal on the table. Let's see how I made it. Don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. Help grow this channel. Thank you, and share, and like. Anyway, see it gotten thick a little bit. Thicker than earlier, right? Can you see that? Nice. I like it like this. When it's done, it's up to you. You can put some sugar and even add some milk if you want. But right now, it's nice and sour from the fermented milk. Love it. So now I'm gonna switch it off.